So here's how to promote Amazon affiliate links with Linktree. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your approved Amazon affiliate account. Now, what we need to do now is go to Tools and select Site Strip. This is important if you've just created your account and you're wondering how you can get your affiliate link. The only way you can get your affiliate link is by using SiteStripe, and by default, I do think that is disabled. So go ahead and scroll down and just change this to enabled. Then go to Amazon.com or wherever your affiliate account you've signed up for, whichever country, then refresh the page. And then here you should have this gray box up here, which is Amazon Sites Drive, which allows you to grab your affiliate links. So now we can go ahead and type in any product, so I'll just type in camping. So let's say we want to promote this air mattress here, so after clicking on it, you're going to get the normal Amazon sales page, but at the top here, you can see you can get a link. So if you go ahead and click on text, you're going to then get an Amazon affiliate link to this product, so we're going to go ahead and copy this link, and now we can go to Linktree and start to add multiple links to our landing page. Now go to Linktree. So here is the Linktree. You can sign up for a free account on Linktree by going to sign up for free. So here we are inside of Linktree. Now, if you want to add multiple affiliate links, all you would do is you would add a new link and paste the URL of different products. Here we've got the URL copied. I'm going to paste it in the URL box here. Now we are going to go back to Amazon, copy this title here, then go to Linktree and simply paste it in here and you'll see it appear here. So here is that product. And when people go ahead and click on it, they're going to be redirected to the Amazon listing, which is our affiliate link. You can also add thumbnails. So if you want to go and add a picture of the product, you can do by clicking on Set Thumbnail. You can upload your own, or you can choose an icon that they've already got on their website. You can prioritize this. You can also schedule. Now let's say we wanted to add this one as well. We will go to Text Link. We will then copy this link here. You'll then go to Linktree, add a new link paste in the URL, and there you can see this one has been added as well. And if we want to preview it, go to the top right-hand corner, and that will take you to your Linktree profile.